The Overseas Pakistani Thai Association, or OPA, has held the 6th Seerat Nabi conference at the Islamic Center of Thailand in Bangkok. The Monday event was officiated by OPA Executive Committee and President Abdul Ghaffar Warsi, with a large number of people from Pakistani and Thai Pakistani community, Thai Muslims, and people of other nationalities and faiths also attending the annual conference. Various speakers shed light on the life of the Holy Prophet Muhammad that was a perfect role model for people in all aspects. They emphasized the importance of following the true progressive spirit of Islam and the teachings of the Holy Prophet. The OPA, which was established 13 years ago, had undergone several missions to provide assistance to orphans, widows, and foreigners being stranded in need of help in Thailand. President Ghaffar highlighted the tight relations between Thais and Pakistanis that formed over the past 7 decades, and vowed to continue the work of the OPA to further strengthen that bond among the people of both countries.
Our association is many thousand people is a member. In Thailand and Pakistan, they have very good relation. Last 70 years between Pakistan and Thailand, very good relation. So our association is a bridge between Pakistan and Thailand. Always I will do our associate best to Thailand and Pakistan.